In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove vocal from a song in Suno AI. By the end, you'll know how to isolate an instrumental version of a track you've generated in Suno, perfect for karaoke, backing tracks, or remix work. Make sure you're signed into your Suno account and that you have enough credits available since stem extraction uses credits. Start by opening Suno in your browser. From the main interface, head to the Discover area or your home screen, then move straight into your library. The library is where all your generated songs live, making it the fastest way to access tracks you want to process. Find the song you want to work on and hover over it. Click the three dots to open the context menu. This menu is where Suno keeps the advanced actions for each track, so you won't need to leave the page or hunt through settings. Choose Edit, then select Get Stems. Stems are separated parts of your song. Think vocals, instrumental, and sometimes specific elements like drums or bass. Extracting stems is the key step that lets you mute or remove the vocal and keep the music underneath. You'll see two options. All detected stems cost more credits and attempts to split the song into multiple parts, such as vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. This is best if you plan to remix or rebalance the mix later. Vocals plus instrumental costs fewer credits and gives you exactly two files, one with vocals and one with the full instrumental. If your only goal is to remove the vocal and keep a clean backing, the two-stem option is usually the most efficient and budget-friendly. Take a second to confirm your credit balance and pick the option that matches your needs. Click Extract to start processing. Suno will handle this in the background. Processing time can vary with song length and server load, so let it finish. You'll see the stems appear when it's done. After processing completes, download the instrumental stem. That single file is your vocal-free version, ready for performance or editing. If you grab multiple stems, you can also mute or remove the vocal track manually in your audio editor to achieve the same result. Before you wrap up, listen on headphones to check for any artifacts or faint bleed, and name your files clearly so you can find them later. Now you've got a clean karaoke version, a solid backing track, or a remix-ready instrumental, all created directly inside Suno.